YOLO is widely known as the acronym for You Only Live Once. However, the origin of the name Yolo County is believed to come from Native American heritage. This county is situated at the northernmost region within the Central Valley in California. The marine effects from the nearby Sacramento River provide cooler temperatures, and the fog that rolls in and out of the vineyards daily, combined with the coastal winds, make for ideal grape growing conditions. Fruit forward and slightly off dry, the palate on this wine is inviting and well balanced. The Chardonnay contributes vibrant green apple and melon flavors. Floral aromatics come from the Muscat, and the Chenin Blanc completes the wine with citrus flavors and high acidity. Pair with our signature recipe salmon with citrus tarragon butter, herb-glazed chicken and fish, or pan-fried scallops. To view all the LE19 wines, visit wineexpert.com. These wines are only available through pre-order. Visit your retailer today.